Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're about to update iOS. First, make sure your iPhone is charged or plugged in and on stable Wi-Fi because updates can be large and slow on cellular. Back up now to iCloud or to your computer so you can restore if something goes wrong. Once backed up, open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. You'll see the current available version and a brief change list. Tap Download and Install to begin immediate download. You'll see download progress. Let it finish before you do anything else. Once downloaded, the device prepares the update. That can take several minutes. If prompted, enter your passcode and accept Apple's terms. After preparation, tap Install Now or Schedule Later. Your device will reboot into the installer and show a progress bar. This is normal. Make sure you don't disconnect power or switch Wi-Fi networks. Interruptions can cause install errors or lengthy retries. When the update finishes, your iPhone restarts and shows a few setup prompts. Follow them to re-enable Face ID, Apple ID sign-ins, and permissions. Once done, verify Settings General About shows the new version. If the update fails, restart the phone, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and try again. Often that fixes transient errors. If the device is stuck, connect to a computer and use Finder or iTunes recovery mode to restore the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.